What's up, guys? Well, look who's back. The XJ is finally back from the body shop. I'm super pumped to have it back. They did a great job over at Flatline Autoworks with the bumper and all the repair work that they did to it. I had them do a couple of extra items that I'm actually really pumped to show off to you. So let's take a look at the work. As you guys can see, it turned out amazing. Flatline Autoworks did such a good job. Like I've said before, if you live in North Georgia or if you live near the North Georgia area, hit up these guys. They do such good work. I'll leave their information in the description below. And like I said, I told you guys I had a little extra work done. That black grille, the JCR rear vintage bumper, and those JCR taillight boxes. And I got some really cool lights planned for those taillight boxes, so y'all stay tuned. And speaking of staying tuned, mash that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on those upcoming videos. I got several other planned right behind it as soon as I get some time to edit all of them. I can't wait for you guys to see them, and please give me a thumbs up, comment. I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what you think. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? You're just kind of meh? Do you have any questions? Please feel free to let me know what you're thinking. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it, and until next time, as always, keep Jeeping.